Hey y'all, it's your girl T, and today we should be doing something kind of fun. I am currently recording a vlogmas, so if you see the vlogmas, you kind of got behind the scenes of what we're gonna do today. And if you're just tuning in today from the vlogmas, you're gonna see the final results of how everything came out. So today we are going to be dyeing our clothes brown. I don't know if y'all remember that little TikTok trend. They was dyeing all their stuff brown. Brown has become a really hot color, and for me, it's here to stay. Just like nude is a classic trend now, brown is a classic trend for me. So I found some stuff that I'm just not super in love with the color, and I'm gonna dye it brown. Oh, I'm so excited, I can't wait to see. So if you're new here, welcome. Hit that subscribe, you're gonna love what we do in here. I'm a registered nurse and a biologist, and I'm a girl too, so I like to do all my little girly things, but you know, I gotta pull in a little science, a little make it make sense juice to it. And if you're an OG, welcome back. I've missed you guys so much. I know it's been a hot little minute, but today I'm too excited. I have these pieces that I want to dye. They're mostly vacation wear. I have one of those crochet bikinis. Do you guys know what I'm talking about? A little risque, but they're cute. They're cute. Can't deny it. But I'm not so in love with the color. It was supposed to be champagne, but you know, some of these websites be playing with you. So I think I'm gonna dye it brown. I actually have a couple of these, so I'm not too worried if it doesn't come out too good. That's what we're gonna do for that one. I also have this dress. This is my sister's. It's already brown. I guess it's kind of orange-ish, and she wants this to be brown. So we're gonna see what we can do with this. And then I have, this is the one like I'm super invested in. This is it's a skirt. It's like a cover-up skirt for when you like have your bikini on. You just put this over. It's just thick enough that if I have like a kind of cheeky bikini on, it like covers up my butt a little bit, so I'm not walking around too crazy. But again, this is from one of those websites. They be trying to play with you. So it was supposed to be like a champagne beige color, and they sent me coral. So we're gonna dye it. I have Rit Dye. If you remember that TikTok trend, I think it was from like a year ago, they were dyeing everything brown. People doing other colors, but I saw a lot of brown. But you know, when TikTok picks something up, oh my gosh, the price of it jacks up so high. I just organized my kitchen with those acrylic bins that are all over TikTok. Y'all don't even want to know how much some of these bins cost. Like, there are bins out there, $77 for a little plastic bin. So ridiculous when TikTok picks something up. So at that time, it was about $30 for some brown dye online, and I was like, ah, for some clothes that like I don't want, and I might have to buy some more if it like doesn't come out right. So yeah, I'm not invested in these clothes. Well, this one I'm a little bit. I hope this one comes out cute, but the rest of them, like, these would be giveaways. I'd just give it to someone. But anyways, I found these at the grocery store actually, and I was like, oh yes, we're gonna finally get to do it. It says I only need half a bottle for like a couple pairs of clothes. So this one dyes cotton, linen, rayon, silk, wool, nylon, and then fabrics containing less than 35% polyester, acrylic, or acetate. And then I grabbed Color Stay Dye Fixative. This one is to enhance the color, increase color retention, and reduce bleeding. This one they said you could actually put on with any clothes in the laundry. You know how clothes bleeds, so you can add this for that. So there's different ways you can do it. You can do it in a laundry machine, you can do it in a bucket of hot water, or you can do it on a stove top. So I'm thinking to do it in a bucket because I don't really trust it. I don't know how it's gonna look in the laundry machine. I've been seeing people do it in their laundry machine, but I don't want like residual color staying in the laundry machine. I wash a lot of whites, and if I have some brown stains on my whites because of this, we're gonna have a problem. So it's Rit in dark brown. That's the color we're using today. I grabbed this huge bucket. I had this little bucket that I thought would be like okay, but then I found a big one, so we're gonna put it in a big old bucket of hot water. Let me take a look at what these are made out of. This one, she cut the tag off. I mean, it has like polyester in it, but it's Forever 21, so I'm hoping they put some cotton, a little bit, something. This one, I don't think it has a tag on it, if I'm remembering right. Yeah, no. No tag on that one. This feels like cotton or something. I don't. It doesn't feel like a plasticky material like polyester or nylon. So I think we'll be good. And then this one, 100% polyester. So this one is gonna have to go into the stovetop. I think I'm gonna just boil this up on the stove. It's small, it'll fit. And then I'll do the dress and the bikini together. Let's get started. I gotta do this quick because I actually have places to go. If you watch my vlogmas, you know it's been a long day. We gotta hurry up. We gotta get this going. I got on my Santa's helper dress. I don't really wear it really except to like do stuff around the house or something. So if I get stains on this, I'll be okay. Alright, let's go get started. I am boiling up in a Dutch pot some water. I'm also boiling up some water for this bucket. The bikini needs vinegar, so I'm gonna put half a cup of vinegar. It looks like it's taking. Hey, checking in. So far, I am just stirring it like every 5 minutes. It has been about 20 minutes so far. So it's set to do 30 minutes to about an hour. So far, it looks like everything is taking color. The purple dangly pieces on the bikini strings, you know what I'm talking about? They don't look like they're taking super well. Like I can still see very clearly that it's purple, but we're gonna let it keep going and see how it looks. The other garments all took the color right away. So as soon as I dropped it in the water, they started picking up the brown, and I can tell it looks really dark right now. Even though they say on the bottle it's gonna look super dark when it's wet, and then when you take it out, it'll look a little bit lighter. So we'll see, but it looks really, really dark right now. The dress picked up the color lightly first. Now when I look at it, the dress is almost looking black. The coral skirt thing that was 100% polyester took the color right away. That was what I was worried about because it said not to do it on synthetic things, but it looks really dark right now. So we'll see. I can still see the coral in there kind of, but we'll see how the color comes out in the end. Even if it's like a corally brown, I'll be super, super happy with that, I think. My one concern is the tie-dye, so I think that's why you're supposed to stir it. I think if you like keep stirring it, that kind of prevents some of the tie-dye. But I did see some videos before I did this, and it looked like almost everybody got tie-dye. Like they either got tie-dye of their color or they just didn't get their color. So I'm expecting some tie-dye. We'll see. Okay, let me go stir. I gotta go stir some more. So this is how the coral skirt looks. Here is the skirt and the bikini. This was white and it looks very dark now. So hopefully it'll come out pretty brown. So this is the dress. It looks like black now almost. The liner didn't take, so I don't know what the liner is made out of. Now it's been just almost 50 minutes. I don't know how I feel about this. The dress definitely took. Bikini definitely took on the white portion. That's gonna look really hot. The purple portion did not take at all. So this is rinsing it out with cool water until the water runs clear. And then we're gonna do color to that. I've got some almost boiling hot water with the Fixative, I want to call it Fixative, with Fixative. Lots of clothes in there. Alright, so it's very late. The lighting is absolutely horrendous now, but that's okay because the show must go on and y'all want to see what it looks like. Y'all want to see how it came out. So this is the bathing suit. So she did end up losing a lot of the beads on there. It should look a lot more full like that. So I collected the beads. I was really careful not to lose them. So we're gonna stick those back on. Now we can take a look at the bottoms. As you can see, the purple did not change color at all. Sorry about the lighting. The color is pretty even. There's some light discoloration, I think, that's picking up on the camera, but I'm not sure if it's like, I feel like I see something here, maybe there, that's a little lighter, but I can't really see it in person. Also, it's crochet, so it's not a continuous material, so I think she came out pretty decent. Maybe I find some tassel from something else and, you know, just switch these out so that it's a more neutral color that matches with the brown a little better. The purple is not the look. Then the next one, this is the one I really wanted to see. The skirt. She looks a little distressed. It's cute. I definitely like this much better than the coral that we had before. I never washed her in the washing machine before, so now she's got kind of these fluffy bottoms going on. I don't know what to do about that. But I'm happy that the color is this color. I like this color a lot more. If you hold it up next to the bikini, it's like a bohemian brown. I don't know how you would call that, like a tannish brown. This will work much better with my vacation outfits than coral. So I'm pleased with it. I'm very, very pleased. At some point when I was rinsing it out, it didn't look like it took the brown. Like it started going back to coral. But I think the I want to call it fixative, so that the fixation, I can't remember what it's called now, but the second stuff that I had to wash it with, once I put the color fixer on it, it stopped bleeding out color and it held this color. So happy with it. Now let me see if I can call over my sister and she can try it on for you guys, because I'm not fitting in this one. But this is the dress. It's a little, that's so crazy. So in person, I was just about to say it's a little splotchy because I'm looking at it in the monitor, but in person, oh, did you see it? Yeah. So you ready? You ready to see your dress? Ready. Oh my god. You're playing.
Ooh, I like this. I like this.
You like it?
I like this. I like it.
You want to try it?
Yes, I will be taking it.
Do you remember what color it was?
It was an ugly peach.
The liner didn't change too much. Didn't, just a little bit, but.
Which I like.
You like it?
Yeah.
So you want to try it on for us? So she's going to put on hers and I'm going to put on mine. It's cute. So we've tried them on. I do want to know what you guys think of them. Like, I am actually kind of in love with this skirt piece, but coral, I don't think we're wearing coral anymore. So now that it's brown, I'll probably wear this a lot now actually, because it's nice to have like a little something to just to cover your butt and stuff when you're out and about. The bathing suit, you're gonna have to stay tuned. Subscribe so you can catch my next vacation vlog. I'll probably put this on at some point. I do love the brown. I do love that it's brown now with the crochet, but I feel like I gotta figure something out with this purple. So we'll have to find something to switch these out with. Shouldn't be too hard. It's like t-shirt material. Do you remember when you made fringes on the end of your tie-dye shirts. That's literally what this is. So maybe I'll find like a little t-shirt, cut up some strips, and change the strings out. And my sister took the dress with her. You guys caught her reaction. She liked it a lot, so she took it with her, and then she even popped her little white sweater over the top of the dress, and it looked adorable. So that was the Rit color dye, and then we used the color fix afterwards, and it really helped out for the 100% polyester one. The other ones looked like they were going to take the color even before we fixed it, other than this purple, which wasn't going to take it at all. So make sure you add me on Instagram. I'll throw on one of these pieces. I'm thinking this one. This is the one I think that's going to make it to the gram. This one definitely going to make it to the vlogs, maybe the gram. We gotta see how these strings come out. This one definitely gonna make it to the gram. I already know. I wanted to wear it before for a look, but the coral wasn't it. What it looks like now is actually how I thought it was gonna come. So thank you for tuning in. That was a lot of fun. Make sure you subscribe. Let me know in the comments if you like the pieces. If it's a little like funny looking, tell me too. Like, girl, let me know. Let me know. And give me a thumbs up, because this actually took quite a long time. It's late at night now because we had to let it dry. We had to let it soak for hours. So give me a thumbs up, especially if you're thinking about doing this. It was so fun to chit chat with you guys. Make sure you tune in again so we can keep getting to these beauty tools, tips, and secrets to keep us all slayed, laid, and popping. Those crochet bouquet just like in the bucket. That coral and mint. What year was that? Like 2014 or something? I don't know, but definitely see you out of it.
Me too.
Me some close ups too.